Hi folks, Hebrew for All. I'm Shlomo Eitan. This is a system by which everyone can learn to read, write, and speak Hebrew. So this is class number 23, and we've come a long way, folks. And it's time to get on with the past tense of the verb liknot. So I've written the infinitive over here in the upper right-hand corner. Here you see it, liknot. And I remind you, the full form is the present tense. Koneh, konah, konim, konot. I always see those on a horizontal line. Koneh, konah, konim, konot. Koneh, konah, konim, konot. You can remind yourself, lishtot, shoteh, shotah, shotim, shotot, etc. And here, I have the past tense written down for you. So, past tense was a template. When we learned lishmor, we learned shamarti, shamarta, shamart, shamar, shamra, shamarnu, shamaratem, shmartem, shamru, shamru. So, just like the present tense, koneh, konah, is a little bit different from the lishmor pattern, shomer, shomeret. Here you see on the board the past tense, which is a teeny bit different. The endings in the past tense are one through the entire language, but you can see that the stub here is a little bit different, right? The stub here is not, as it were, the three root letters, kuf, nun, hey. You'll see the word gets started, the pattern gets started. Kaniti, kanita, kanit, kana, kanta, kaninu, kanitem, kaniten, kanu, kanu. So there it is. Scroll it up a teeny bit. One more time, we'll take a look. The verb is liknot. Full forms of the present tense are koneh, konah, konim, konot. Past tense in its entirety, kaniti, kanita, kanit, kana. We have to go feminine. We're not going to repeat the hey of kana a second time. In comes the word kanta, with that tav in there. Kanta, which becomes the hallmark of she in the past tense for liknot type verbs. Kaninu, kanitem, kaniten, kanu, kanu. I suggest that I give you another verb, for example, lish tot, which I'm sure you immediately recognize falls into this pattern. Lish tot. Full forms of the present tense, shoteh, shotah, shotim, shotot. Past tense, shatiti, shatita, shatit, shata, shatita. Notice that I made that little difference over there with sha, ta, sha, te, mishate, ta. And instead of like kanta and shata, because I have the two tavs, one right next to the other in the middle of the word, Israelis and I say shatata, and then shatinu, shatitem, shatiten, shatu, shatu. You can go and practice that with all your liknot type verbs. And now I'd like to bring up for you here is the exercise P2, which is what I would encourage you people to do. So I've done number one right there on the page for you. The verb is liknot. In the present tense, you would write down koneh, konah if it's feminine. In the past tense, that's what the P is. P is for past, kaniti. And the definition would be, I bought. And I'll just do one with you as well. Lir tzot. The present would be ro tse. And the past would be ra tziti. The precise definition in the past tense would be I wanted. So that's our lesson for today, lesson number 23, and we've just learned the past tense of liknot type verbs. Now you have to get to work to practice it. See you in the next lesson. Shalom, shalom.